Hi everyone, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. One of the biggest worries when getting your car fixed? Inconsistent repair quality. Nobody wants a repair that looks great one day and fades the next. And at Arts, we deliver consistent, top-tier results every time. Let me tell you about Gina, a local graphic designer who came to us last month. Her 2018 Mazda 6 had a dented front fender from a minor collision. Gina was skeptical after a previous shop left her with uneven paint that keeled quickly. We showed her our rigorous process using premium materials and skilled technicians. Our team restored her Mazda to a flawless finish, and Gina said, "Arts repair is perfect. It's consistent and looks amazing." Here's how we ensure quality. We use high-grade paints, precision techniques, and thorough inspections for every job. From small scratches to major bodywork, our Pomona shop maintains strict standards backed by a warranty. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we guarantee repairs you can rely on. Tired of inconsistent quality? Stop by or call for a free estimate and see the difference. Ready for consistently great repairs? Call Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodｙandpaint.com to book your free estimate. Arts Auto Body and Paint, quality you can trust.